Now let's take a 360 video. In order to do that, on my camera screen, I'm actually going to click 360 videos. You see that text now turns yellow, which means that you're in video taking mode. And similar to photo capture, you must first drop a pin before the shutter button becomes active. You must drop your video annotation where you plan to start the walk. The first time you do this, you'll get a carousel of helpful tips. So those are to walk slowly and purposefully. Don't run. We need a clear image in order to process your capture. Don't turn your head too quickly for the same reasons. Incorporate loops and figure eights. This helps the algorithm know where you are. Lighting is key, so much like our eyes, if we hop in and out of spaces that are contrasted, it can be hard to adjust our vision and capture one floor at a time. At this time, we do not support a capture of multiple floors in the same video. Great, now I've dropped my pin. The red shutter button is ready. I'm gonna put my camera above my head on a hard hat mount or on a selfie stick. Press the shutter button, maybe I'll name my capture. And after a few seconds, you'll hear your camera ding, letting you know that it's recording, and I'll begin my walk. Now, I'm incorporating loops. Now that I'm done, I'll go ahead and click the red shutter button again, which will end the recording. My camera sounds, and now I have the option to upload my video.